Joey, look. Our neighbor lost his trees. Both of his big maple trees are gone. And so is your dad's. Your dad's tree got hit. It's like half the tree it used to be. Bummer. Oh, more trees down. All the way down. Oh, look at our houses. I put everything in before I went in, but oh my gosh. The buckets are over. The neighbor's tree is down on that side as well. All of the trees are down that we planted. Look at the side of the house. Oh my gosh. Look, the weeping willow. I wonder if it made it. Oh my God, look at that tree. It's all the way down. Oh, and so is down there. There's another tree down. Oh, and another tree down. Oh my gosh. Joey, this is the tree that whatchamacallit planted. And the two maples that Donna and Chuck planted. Oh, look. The side of their house is gone. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. That's the weeping willow. This is the tree that one of them that Chuck planted. Look at the side of the houses. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is one of the small crabapple trees. But look, these trees are all down. This is our neighborhood. I don't know whose lawn furniture it is. And their grill. We already have an emergency generator on over there. Somewhere. I don't know whose all this is, but look. Look, the siding's off of our house. Oh my gosh. Probably shouldn't be walking around out here barefoot, should I? That's the side of our house, that screened-in house, the neighbor's house. The trees. Oh my God, the trees. This is crazy. This is John's house. That's where the green furniture's coming from, is John's house. Oh my God, Joe, look. That's that is the neighbors. Oh my. Oh my God, this is our street. Oh, John's tree's down too. Of course, I should have known that. Oh my God. Now the roof is off. His roof is off. There it is, plywood. The trees, I just can't believe. Oh my God, look at that house down there. That's one of the new ones. All the roof is off. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my God, John's roof is off, Joey. All the plants. Oh my God. Look at our street. Oh, the siding's off. Mary's. John's home. the side of his house is gone. He's got the roof off of it, just off of it, completely off of it. And the temperatures are way chillier. I can't believe the number of trees we lost. I mean, they're everywhere. The whole street is full of siding. You know, right before it started, Tammy, I was working upstairs and they were talking about it getting stormy, and I went upstairs and I saw that it was wow. And I saw that it was getting bad, but then we lost the electricity and the wind just picked up like crazy. So actually Moxie wanted to go downstairs because that's our Mox. Wanted to go downstairs and we did. And we were like sitting in the dark, like pitch dark, on the sofa. Yeah, we lost some of just our trim, but John's whole top, the south side of his roof is just gone. Just got some siding missing there. We've got some missing Colleen's little volunteer trees over. Yeah, we've got some trim pieces missing and our plants are pushed over. That's not a big deal. I think this is somebody's tree. Under your car. Why do you have a tree stuck under your car? Like completely under your car. It's a branch that got wedged underneath there. I'm so glad you said put the table in. Jesus, where would that be? All the trees. I know. I'm walking around with the camera trying to show Joe. I'm going to send him oh my God, his whole south roof is gone.
Yeah.
All the trees.
All the trees.
All the trees. You know, I went to the basement when the wind was going, but you know this got stuck underneath our house. Look how forcefully this went under the truck. I can't even get it out.
I think that might be over there. It didn't keep flying past our patio.
Yeah.
Either that or
Yeah, you know, those guys just left on some kind of a camping trip. I saw them pull out.
This is his son's car. Honestly, I think it fell in the best possible way.
It's soft.
Because it's like
Yeah,
around it.
yeah, but no big branch like on top. No windows broken.
Not that I can tell. I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either. My God, how crazy this is. Yeah, you're absolutely right. That's just crazy. It's
Yeah.
all around the car.
Joe.
Is the other side like this too? I mean, I pulled in things when you said that. I just went around and started
yeah.
pulling stuff in.
Yeah, actually in front of Susan's and Luann's. And Luann can't get out of the front door right now.
There's somebody's light from the top of there. I bet
I think
that's his.
Joe's.
Yeah, John's.
So our,
Wow. I knew
that
the
side
rain was
fence-
starting to come in my
when it
upside.
took that thing over, which is about almost
Yeah.
100 pounds,
Oh yeah. Oh my, the lawn chairs.
and in Susan's
Oh.
poor little deck, it must have just swirled because everything is off her patio.
Oh my gosh.
I went down to set down her folding chairs, just thinking.
Yeah, I did the
they'll
same.
go.
I did the same thing with Co's and April's. I put their chairs, I laid them down and put the plants that were on. Oh my God.
She had built that to her pad. So that's gone. This is Susan's. I found her chair over there.
Oh my gosh. Where's Susan?
She had to go into work this week.
Oh my gosh.
And they
Oh,
have,
they're scared. Little babies.
you can't get Luann out her front door.
Is she in there?
She's in there. She just propped open her garage.
Okay.
Condo, they lost the soffits
Yeah.
under there.
But his whole roof.
Yeah,
John's whole roof is gone.
Yeah.
Oh my
Fact that it's
God,
still
look at the
raining.
wind. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look how the wind. That's her portable mobile.
I don't know where her.
Oh, that's the glass. Well, then, yeah, here I am walking around with bare
I
feet.
think that's the lid to Marcy Grill. That's on its side.
Yeah, so is ours on its side.
We've
I
got
cannot
lots of
believe the
siding
damage.
mounted.
The damage to the trees is overwhelming.
Poor Kristen was in something out her cell phone.
Did you go downstairs? I mean, because when it got as bad, I was actually recording in the front, and the wind was, and the dog was like, close the door, because that's Moxie. And wow. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go home. I just saw the broken glass. I'm gonna go home now. Whose tree? Whose chair? Yeah, I think you're right. Same thing with that one, which I think is metal, the yellow. Yeah, you're right. That's kind of like it sat down on it. Wow. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go back home. Now it's starting to rain harder. Wow. Wow. Maybe I should put some shoes on.